ACLC Valentine's Special that will grant you to play your requested song and messages to your loved ones. Watch and listen for your messages and requests here on ACLC Valentine's Special. Feb-ibig na, so I want to greet all of you guys a happy Valentine's Day. It is not because you have no boyfriend or girlfriend or you are broken-hearted, you have no reason to celebrate Valentine's anymore. Don't be a loner or bitter because whether you're single or in a relationship, you always have a reason to celebrate. ACLC Valentine's Special will help you to make a way to show your love to them. Now is the perfect time to dedicate a song to that special someone. Sabihin mo sa kanya ang nararamdaman mo through a love song. Just like this first sender from Mr. Alfred. Requested a song entitled I Love You So, but before that, this is his message to Candy. Being in love with you is an amazing feeling. I will cherish all the moments we've been together for a year. I will love you every second, every minute, and every hour of my life. I love you so much. Happy Valentine's. From yours truly. Hope you like it. Enjoy, guys.